Hi everybody, welcome back to the How to Use Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the shortcut when you have your volume button on your remote. Press and hold. So actually this feature is called the accessibility button, accessibility shortcut. And to change that, go to the control panel, scroll down to settings and open all settings. Now scroll down to the general and privacy and here click accessibility. Now scroll almost all the way down here to the accessibility shortcut settings. Click that and here, as you can see, apart from the accessibility with the audio description on and off, subtitles on and off, audio description and subtitles on and off. Just click on each option to change that. And that's it. Hope it helps and have a nice day. Goodbye!